Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be creating a YouTube intro in Canva. This is the intro we'll be creating. It's super easy, so just stay tuned to watch the tutorial. So we open up Canva and we're going to select a video, and we're going to select YouTube video. At the bottom of our screen, we're going to just press that plus button and add 3 pages to our design. Then we're going to head over to Elements, where we're going to scroll to the bottom, and this is where we'll find grids. We're going to select this one with the 3 different grids. We're going to go to spacing right here and decrease the grid spacing so there's no space between the grids. And we're going to upload our 3 images that we're going to start out with. So we're just going to hover the pictures over the grid and it will snap together. We're going to flip this and put it right here. And this is how we want it to look. So from here, we're going to just position it so it takes up the full screen. We're going to lock it now. We have to unlock it so that we can decrease the transparency. And then we're going to lock it so this design doesn't move. Now we're going to go to text and we're going to insert text Lori Harvey. So you could put the name or your YouTube intro name or your YouTube name here. And we're going to go to font and we're selecting Black Mango. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, it's not too hard. We're going to just resize. We're going to go to effects and we're going to choose the lift and just increase the intensity. Then we want to animate this text. So we're going to go to animation and we're going to select typewriter on enter. Increase the speed a little bit, decrease it. And then from here, we'll just adjust how long we want this first page to play for. It's at 1.2 seconds and we're going to add a transition here. We're going to work with slide for now. At the end, we'll probably change it. Now we're going to move on to the second page. So we click on the second page and we're going to insert this image and just put it to the right hand side of our design. We select the background, we're going to select color, and Canva already has the colors that are in this picture, so we're going to select this one, then search for tear paper on elements and select this one right here. And we're just going to reposition it to be in the center of the image or the design to give it, a little added edge. So from here, we're going to search for frame and we're going to look for the phone frame. And this is where we're going to put our video recording of Lori's Instagram page. So you can screen record your Instagram page, you scrolling through your gram, and upload this picture here, and then we're going to just insert it in this phone frame. Here we're going to trim how long this video is right here and just adjust the video to show the parts of the clip that we actually want to be seen in this video. So just going to trim it and see how it plays and adjust to our liking. So we're actually doing this on 2 separate pages, so a portion of the video will show on the second page, and the latter part will show on the 3rd page that we have in this design. So just a preview of how it looks so far. This is what we have. So we're just gonna clean it up. We adjusted how long the clips will play for. We're going to add text, so we're going to have fashion. We're using Amsterdam 4 as the font. Then we're going to change the color of this text. And the color we're using is actually a color that's already in the picture that we uploaded. That's to your right. We're going to select this one as it's the brightest color. Then we're going to copy and paste the text that we have into the 3rd page, and we're going to type lifestyle. Now we're on to our last page. We're going to keep the color consistent, the background color consistent with all the last 3 pages. We're uploading this image of Lori Harvey. We're editing image and removing the background. And we'll position it to the left-hand side of our screen. And we're going to insert text, "Follow me on my socials." Then we're going to change the color of this text. We will adjust or change this color later on, as I think white would look better. You have to make sure that your fonts or your text is easily read by your audience. So we're going to insert her @, so it's @Lori Harvey. Now we're just going to make the design more visually appealing. We're making the fonts more uniform using Black Mango. We're going to go to Elements, Lines and Shapes. We're inserting the square, putting it in the center of the design, and then we're going to put it backwards. So the colors are complementing each other. It has a nice aesthetic design. We're just going to put in some social media icons and a subscribe button. Some elements on Canva you can actually change the colors. So we're going to select black and white for this one. We had put a like and comment icon in this design, but we're going to remove them as they don't really complement what we're trying to do right now. Now we want to animate this element. We're going to select pop, and then we're going to insert our social media icons. So we're going to start with Instagram and change the color. We're using black and white. Search for TikTok, and then we're going to search for Facebook. I'm going to use a square shaped elements or icons for these just to have a consistent look. So we're going to change this Instagram icon. So we're just adding a few finishing touches, letting the design come together and look more uniformed. So from here, we're just going to add a few animations to these elements. We're going to let them pop on the screen. And you can literally try all of these and see which ones you like the best and just have some fun with them. Now, after we're done with this, we're going to just add the final transitions for this YouTube intro video. We are going with slide for now. We'll see how this one looks, and then we'll come back and change if necessary. We are going to just adjust the video right here. And then we're going to have a full screen view to see how it looks, and then we make any necessary changes that we see we need to make. I'm going to add this line to the background just to give it some extra something. We added it, so we're going to reduce the transparency so it's not too overwhelming on the screen. Like a nice subtle background image. And we're going to change the transitions to dissolve. And from here, we're just going to save our design, and let's look at the finished product. Very simple, very easy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.